Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fully reset Windows 10 to factory settings. Click Start, Settings. Click Update and Security. Click Recovery. Click Restart Now. Click Troubleshoot. Click Reset this PC. Click Remove Everything. Click Local Reinstall. Click Fully Clean the drive. Click Reset. Click Yes to continue. Click Yes to continue. Click Accept. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.